They're running here.
Previously on CMO.
I just heard the palmettos up there going. Dude, there's running here. She's over here. There she goes. There goes the pig right there.
What's happening, everyone? Welcome to Common Man Outdoors. My name's Jordan Spencer. We have an exciting one for you. This is day 2 of our POV pistol versus wild hog challenge here in Florida. We're trying to get that pistol shot with the POV camera and kill a couple hogs, move them out of our deer stands. If you guys missed part 1 of this, you got to go back and check it out. It was exciting. Some shots were flung, some were a little high. Check it out, links below. But this POV pistol challenge has been a lot of fun for me. We are here in Arcadia, Florida. It is hot, but these hogs will start moving eventually. We're gonna get out and see if we can't kick some up right now. Let's go.
That'll be a hog trigger in that. Bunch of hog. See, I think that's enough hogs keeping the deer away.
Yeah. Yep.
The last one I seen was a long time ago, before I even had any of this done at all. And it was just a doe at nighttime, just naturally passing through.
Yep. For y'all that don't know, these deer do not like hogs. If you got deer at a stand or feeder and hogs come in, most of the time they take off. So Ryan had this feeder set up hoping that the deer would come in, but he keeps getting pictures of hogs standing up and knocking the corn down. So this is gonna be a little hog station. That was gonna be the hog feeder. This is gonna be a little hog schwacking station. He's got a tree stand back there. We got some broadheads to be testing out here soon. So right now, filling some feeders, checking some spots, find some hogs here in a little bit. Let's go back here. I never see pigs back here. Ryan's on the back end of the property right now, bow hunting. He's after some big gnarly hogs. Might go catch up with him if he gets in some soon. There we go. Circle around here. Can't tell if they're going left or away from me. That's our first bump. They're still not that far away. But I ain't gonna be able to catch up with them, I don't think. Dang, we're so close. I got eyes on them. One was big. Alright, let's drop a little waypoint. Remember that was a bedding area for him. Let's keep going. It's gonna be a good night.
They know we're coming now. Got some dang old son cutters on that one. There was no baby. Wouldn't it be cool to big old gnarly pig with a pistol like that? Man, it gets your heart pumping every time. I'm really getting into this pistol deal. I don't know what I'm gonna get though. Like, I'm definitely gonna get something with a red dot. I want to be really efficient with this, even though they're nuisance animals. Like, we're trying to thin the herd, let more deer come in here. Y'all let me know in the comments what pistol caliber you think I should hunt with. I like this 10 mil, but Ryan and I was talking earlier, I don't think you want expandable bullets for hog hunting. He's got some that some 200 grain bullets for his 10 mil that he's gonna hook me up with. Let me try out, but y'all let me know in the comments below what you think, what caliber, what gun, and then help me out with what red dot to get too. We're gonna keep circling this back to our meadows and keep after it. It's a cool spot down in here. Dude, it smells like pig's bad. Bad in a good way. Look at this. Definitely been down in here. I'm really surprised we didn't run one out of here. Look, another one over here. Look how cool this spot is. That's what I love about Florida. You have so many different options. Between the hunting and fishing, yeah, it's different. And we don't have giant deer, but we get to hunt hogs all year long. I'm really surprised there's nothing down here. Like, look at this. Man, what a cool spot this is. In about a month, all this is going to be underwater. I looked at my shots yesterday and I didn't do too good. So I think it's going to be volume today. Less aiming, more firing. Mine's still going strong. This is the one I believe we bought off of Temu, either Temu or TikTok. But no, this is, sorry, this blind is what is this blind? Oh, tide weave. This is the tide weave blind. This blind's still going strong, our tide weave blind. Yeah, no, it actually is really doing well. We haven't taken it back down. They've put some clients in there, let them hunt it out of it. Cool little spot here. A long bow shot there, but cool spot here to hunt. Keep cruising. This is cool. This is too much fun walking through here with this pistol. I hope y'all are having fun. Let me know in the comments, because I would like to just keep doing this for the rest of fall. If I'm home in Florida, I'm gonna sneak out here and do this, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it too. It's something different. I can hear pigs back that way, but we got a wind going this way. And they're probably going to this feeder. So I gotta get over here. I'd love to go right there, cut them off as they're crossing, but I'll get winded first. I really don't want any pigs coming into this feeder. This is where I had that big buck come in on me. Where can I get it? Oh, there's a bit. Shoot, he just went at me. Dang, I don't know if he saw me or went at me. Oh, crap. I was a minute late. Okay, here I'm coming. Dang it. Just kind of bad wind situation. There's a short little ladder stand in that tree over there, but it's just covered perfect. You can shoot sitting down. This is where I had that big boy coming in at. I saw him once in daylight. Big old giant Florida deer. So I really try to run all the hogs off here. So yeah, I try to run all the hogs out from this spot. Up in that tree is my deer stand, one of them. And then we got a lot going back over here. What do y'all think of this POV pistol hunting, hog hunting? You like it? Let me know in the comments, should we keep doing it? I'm hoping you'll say yes, because this is a lot of fun for me. I think we need to get the whole gang out here and put chesties on everyone and have a big old hog hunting weekend. Longest tail wins. It's a deer. I don't know if y'all can see her through there. I'm gonna leave you. I'll leave you be there, Mom. You got a couple more weeks. Alright. Scouting success. See, we're getting hogs out of here. We're getting the deer more comfortable. We're doing good things for our deer population this year. Let's go get on a couple more hogs. Another deer. Deer are moving. That's good. We're doing good. I think he came around the corner and he's right there. Just right here in the open, dang it. That was a big pig. Y'all see that pig? I could have flung some at him, but he was pretty far. That was close. He came around that corner and Boom, he was there. Busting me. I should have been a little bit quieter, I guess, or a little more patient. There's a couple more that ran off in these palmettos here. But man, this is fun. What do y'all think of this pistol hog hunt? POV style. We can keep doing it. I got a new string coming from a recurve, so we're getting into this recurve hunt here in a hurry, and Josh is gonna be back down to film me, but running around by myself for the last couple days has been a lot of fun. So I hope y'all like it. I'm gonna keep doing it. So I might get a different pistol with the red dot or some kind of sight thing on it. I think red dot's probably gonna be the easiest, but for me, like I said earlier, this is like my video games now. I didn't grow up playing video games, so this is kind of fun. I get it. I keep looking down at the screen. Is he in frame? Does this look cool walking through this? Got the sunset going down behind us. Beautiful night here in Florida. Appreciate y'all following along. Please hit a like for me. Subscribe, share this. I'm trying to grow this thing. Can't do it without y'all. Love you. See you on the next one. See ya.